Hey guys, I wanted to show you how you can use Looka AI. It's an AI tool to make really beautiful logos. Now, as a designer, I take a lot of pride in using Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and spending a lot of time doing brand strategy. But occasionally, and actually it's been more frequent recently, but I come across companies that can't afford the high-end process that I take companies through to develop their logos and brands. And one of those would be my cousin, who's got a company called Waterworks, which we're going to knock out, and then we're going to knock one out for a new brand that I personally have called Future Tech. So with that all being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I'm going to show you how you can use Looka to create amazing logos and then actually mock them up on products. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so the first one we're going to do is Future Tech. Future Tech is spelled all with one word, right? And so we're going to use that, and it's global marketing. There you go. So we're going to go ahead and put that in there. Hit get started. I'm going to put in here consulting. That's the industry. Whoops. Business consulting. I could put, yeah, business consulting. Actually, it's kind of technology consulting. Kind of falls into both. I'm trying to narrow this down. I think technology consulting would be good. So we're going to go ahead and continue. You can see here it's giving you some ideas of what kind of inspiration do you like. I'm just going to look through a few of these here and see the styles that I like. For a company called Future Tech, I want us to be very sophisticated, very cutting edge. I think this one's nice. I think that one's nice. Let's see here. That one's pretty nice. It's got kind of an Airbnb feel to it. I like this one a lot. I think we'll go ahead and stick with that for the moment, just to keep it as simple as possible. And we'll go ahead and hit continue. Now, color schemes. Now with Future Tech, this is going to be kind of a classier, upscale brand. I want to keep this cutting edge. I'm probably going to use purple and grayscale, so it'll allow me to pick those two colors, just to keep it as simple as I possibly can. We'll go ahead and hit continue. Okay, hit continue. Now it's consulting, technology, consultant, business. Let's see here. Data, innovation is a big one, and creativity. These are all going to be big things. We hit continue. Now it's generating the logos for me now. You can see here, it's got some color palettes that I already picked up here. Giving me some good ones. I don't want them to be too generic and too cookie cutter. So we can see here, there's some decent concepts. This one's actually pretty cool. I like that one out of the gate. Let's see. I like this little stack. That's kind of cool. I don't like the font much. Let's see here. Load more logos. See what else it gives me here. There's something about this little stack that I think is really, really cool. Let's see here. Future Tech. That's pretty neat. It's kind of got a little bit Airbnb feel to it, though. Let's see. I like this little icon, but it doesn't really fit. Let's see here. Load more logos. You can see it gives you a lot of options. I like this one a lot. In fact, I think this is the winner here. It's kind of got an F going on there, and there's something about that I like. I also like the simplicity of this without the circle. Let's just see what else this thing pulls up. There's some pretty good stuff in here. Let's go a little further, see what else they offer. See, you got quite a bit of options. And once we narrow this down, let's see here, get something in here. That's pretty cool, but that's kind of a standard symbol. I want to find a symbol that I actually like. And to be honest, I'd rather not have a symbol at all. Just something simple like this would be fine. Let's just see if we can come up with anything brilliant, anything creative. Let's see here. Keeps pulling this up. Load more logos. As you can see here, we got lots of options. I think I don't want to put anything in a box because we're going to think outside the box. But for the most part, we're going to keep this super, super basic. Let's see. I'm going to go back up to that one that caught my eye originally that I think we should just stick with. This is pretty nice. I don't like the script underneath it. But there was one in here that we were looking at, we saw at the beginning. Yeah, this one here. I really like this one. There's something about this. I don't like that font as much. I want to find a different font. I know we can change the fonts, so why don't we just stick with... man, that's a tough one. It's either between this or this. I don't really feel like that has the F. Let me just do one more load and see if it comes up with anything that fits this. Let's see. I really like the stack. I think there's something really cool about the stack and using the text stack, because that's ultimately what we're doing is we're stacking. So I think this really fits the brand the most. So we're going to go ahead and hit customize. Okay, you can see here it's already coming up with business card concepts. I don't like this font, so I would want to change this font. Let's see here. Font types. So let's see here. Smart marketing. I don't know what font that was. Let's see here. It's going to give me some good pairings. Let's see. This needs to be really readable. I like this. Okay, and then we'll do colors. It didn't really stick to my colors if you notice that I was actually wanting to do, let's see, color picker. So I was wanting to keep it grayscale. Remember earlier I said keep it grayscale, and this doesn't seem to have followed my lead on that. So I'm gonna have to come back in here and change this to something a little bit more available. Let's see. Go ahead and do this. I like the blue color though. The blue's nice. We'll have to take the gradient off of this. Just keep it simple. And then this background. Oh, look at this, giving me some other options. So let's see here. I'd like to do a light background. Ooh, this is nice right here. That's much better. I like this, but I'm going to change the colors. We're going to change it to, let's see here, how does this look? Nope, we're going to change it to a light, nice light gray. Okay, and then we'll do this here. Oh, now it's giving me some other options for icons. Look at this, how cool is this? This is a huge time saver. Huge time saver. Let's see. I like a lot of these icons so much. Wow, these are really neat. I can't believe how much of a game changer this is going to be. If you guys aren't using something like this, future tech. This is so cool. I like these icons a lot. That's pretty neat. I don't want the circle though. I want to do something that was kind of like the one we had before. So let's go back and see if we can undo that. I'd like to try to find something similar to that, but a little bit more like this. Let's see here. I like the tech stack kind of concept. Let's see here. Ooh, this is pretty good. There we go. I think I'm going to stick with that. It's got a little bit more of a unique design to it, and then we'll go ahead and change the colors. Here, as far as gradients go, I think I'm going to use more of a, let's see here, a blue, nah, the silver, yeah, I think we're going to stick with that. Okay, so future tech there, you can see here, it's giving me more options, so I can go layout. I like the layout that I have here on this currently. I think this icon could end up being smaller. Monograms, so it's got different monograms you can pick from, which is neat. You got your color palette, so you can pick different color palettes. That's pretty nice right there. Ooh, that's it right there. I do want to change this font. I think that there's some better font options here. So let's just go, nah. Man, this is speeding up my process a lot though. Even though this is taking a few minutes, I think this is going to speed up the process a lot. I like this one. It's not bold enough. Ooh, look at that. There it is. Future tech. Okay, so we're going to go with that. And then for the slogan, we need to add a slogan back in here. What happened to my slogan? There we go. Let's see. I need it to be a really readable slogan. I think that looks good. I want to say, I want to adjust the slogan. Global Marketing Inc. We're going to put that as the slogan in there. And then we want to probably kern this a little bit. There we go. And then I can drag this. Let's see if I can drag this guy. Size. There we go. That was pretty easy. Wow, look how nice that looks. Future Tech Global Marketing Inc. So we're going to go ahead and hit download now. And it says get brand kit and download, preview brand kit. Let's go ahead and preview the brand kit. Look at this. Look at this. Look at those business cards. Look at the mock-ups. Look at the mock-ups. I'll have to remove that part from the banner. Alright, so I can go ahead and hit get brand kit. Look at that. Brand kit subscription, everything you need, $96 a year. High-res files, unlimited changes, full ownership, over $3,000 in exclusive offers, email business cards, email signatures, social proof profiles, everything for 96 bucks. Choose a package that suits you. Only the logo or the brand kit. Your logo plus 300 branded templates. $192 a year, and you get a website with this one. Talk about, I could just resell this all day long. This would be super nice. I probably will end up doing this just to be safe because it's only 65 bucks. It's going to save me a lot of time. And I was able to create a logo very, very quickly. So, all right, so it's preparing my logo package that I just purchased. And now you can see here, I got the package. I can make changes to this anytime. So I have access to this. I can download the logo files. Boom, there we go. I got it in a zip folder now. You can see here, look at this. Look at these logo files. Yeah, for print and for web, already done. PSGs, PNGs, absolute game changers, SVGs, everything I could possibly need. So I'm going to go ahead and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to call this Future Tech Logos. One more I want to do, I want to show you guys, is another company. Let's go back and let's see here. We're going to do generate more logo designs, and we're going to call this one, it's going to be for a plumbing company. So plumber. Okay, we're going to hit continue. And we're going to hit probably some things that he likes, like something like this. It's going to be the every person style, so like maybe something like this. I like this one a lot. And let's see here. What else do we got? This one's really good. And then we'll pick one more. Let's see here. I think that's actually going to be good. We're just going to stick with that for now. Okay, we'll hit continue. We're going to use blue and green. He and I have already talked about this. Okay, company name is going to be Waterworks. Here we go. Oh, plumber, water, repair. Let's see here. Strength, excellence, tranquility, creativity. Okay, we'll hit continue. And look at that. Right out of the gate, I got a bunch of really cool concepts. I'm definitely going to do something with water. We'll find something. Remember, you can refine this as time goes on. So I'm going to do this. I think this is really cool. This is really simple and sophisticated. That's also really simple and sophisticated. I'm just thinking what would look good on a vehicle. Something that's going to be bold enough to see. Why don't we go ahead and just not spend too much time on this, but let's do something like this one right here. We'll hit continue. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and keep that layout. I want to adjust this icon probably to something a little different. It's a good start. Let's just type in water. Okay, hit search. It's got lots and lots of concepts. Let's find something that's really good here for Waterworks. It would look good and be easy to see on a vehicle. Let's see here. All right, so I know there's a lot of noise in the background here, so let's just go ahead and use something like, okay. Let's see here. Water. Ooh, I like this one. This one's kind of cool. Let's see what else we got. If we got something else similar. Ooh, this is super sophisticated. That kind of just shows flow. What we're going to do is we're going to change the colors, though. We're going to make this a brighter blue. Maybe more like this. There we go. Oops. All right, there we go. And then we're going to be able to export this logo, and we got a really nice Waterworks identity. It shows you your color palette, shows you your mockups, has it in black and white. It literally gives you everything you need. T-shirt mockup, and I could change this layout if I wanted to. Let's see here. So like suggestion options. Let's see here. If I went like this, I like that, but I don't like the color scheme. So let's hit undo. Let's see here. Layout. Here we go. Let's just do this just like this. Waterworks. Super simple, super clean. It's obviously giving more suggestions. This freaking app is amazing. If you guys haven't used this, Looka, I would highly suggest it. It's going to save you a lot of time. I think this what came out already is really, really high quality. So we'll go ahead and hit download or share, and we'll be good to go. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message, let me know, and I will talk to you guys soon. God bless, and as always, keep looking up.